To make these dainty lazy hair scrunchies, you are going to need elastic hair tie, a 4.5 mm crochet hook, yarn of your choice. I'm using cotton yarn. This is a size 3 cotton yarn, so use a size 2 or a size 3 yarn. And here is the label: 50 grams, 125 meters. So go ahead and take whatever yarn and color you want to use. Leave about 10 to 15 centimeters starting tail, make a slip knot, and then you are just going to single crochet around the hair tie until you have about 60 to 70 single crochets. So you are just going to single crochet around your hair tie. I have a total of 70 single crochets. Now go ahead and slip stitch to your very first single crochet, and then you are going to chain 4, 3 and 4. This counts as a double crochet and as a 1 chain space in between, and into the next single crochet you are going to make a double crochet. Sorry about the noise. And then you will chain 1, double crochet into the next stitch, chain 1, and continue like this by making 1 double crochet in each stitch, and then a chain 1 in between your double crochets. At the end of the row you are going to slip stitch in your third chain, turn your work, and slip stitch to your 1 chain space. Now chain 5. This counts as a double crochet and as a 2 chain space in between, and we are going to work in this 1 chain space from the previous row and make 1 double crochet in there, and then you will have a chain of 2, double crochet into the next 1 chain space, chain 2, double crochet in your next 1 chain space, and this is going to be your repeat all the way around. At the end of the round you are going to slip stitch to your third chain, turn your work, and slip stitch in your 2 chain space. Now you are going to chain 1 and single crochet into the same 2 chain space, then chain 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and single crochet into the next 2 chain space, chain 4, 3 and 4, single crochet in your next 2 chain space, and this is going to be your repeat all the way around. At the end of the row you are going to slip stitch to your first single crochet, turn your work, slip stitch in your 4 chain space, and now you are going to chain right away 4 and slip stitch in your next 4 chain space, chain 4, slip stitch in your next 4 chain space, and this is going to be your repeat all the way around. At the end of the round you are just going to slip stitch to your first slip stitch, chain 1, fasten off, leave enough tail for the weaving. Now you are going to thread your yarn needle with your tail, and you are just going to weave in these loose ends. And now I'm going to tie a few knots. So 3, and then cut my ends. And if you have a fabric glue, I do encourage you putting some glue right here where the knot is, to make sure that this is not going to come undone. And voila, you just made yourself a dainty hair scrunchie.